Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should start by confirming you legally own or have authorization for this Samsung device. Once done, make a full backup so you don't lose personal data. Also gather device identifiers like serial or IMEI and the corporate account info. You will need proof of ownership or explicit authorization to request MDM changes. Make sure to document why removal is required and prepare to contact the organization or service that enrolled the device. You must request MDM removal through the enrolling administrator or corporate IT team. That's the approved route. Explain the reason, provide proof, and ask them to initiate unenrollment or revoke the device from their console. If the device was managed by Samsung Knox or a mobile operator, contact their enterprise support and follow their verified process. Make sure they confirm the device is removed from management before you rely on it being clear of policies. Once authorized removal is complete, verify the device no longer enforces corporate policies and test primary features and accounts. If the phone still shows management or restricted profiles, escalate to the enrolling IT team or Samsung Enterprise Support and provide device logs and proof of prior authorization. Make sure you retain documentation of all communications in case of disputes. If you cannot obtain approval, do not attempt technical bypasses. Pursue legal or administrative resolution instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.